Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can convert bytes data to string. So in this video tutorial, we will cover the overview of bytes data, why we need to define bytes data. Then we will cover two major methods, how we can convert bytes data to string data. So very first method is by using the decode method, and the second method is by using the str constructor. So without any further ado, let's move to the first topic and let's understand the bytes data. In Python, bytes represent raw binary data and they are immutable sequence of bytes ranging from 0 to 255. Bytes objects are used to store encoded character data of any arbitrary binary data, whereas string represents sequence of Unicode characters. They are also immutable sequence of character which can be letters, digits and symbols. Now in Python, bytes literals are defined with an leading B character followed by the quoted sequence of bytes. Let me show you the example of bytes, how we define it in Python. So here I have opened my Jupyter notebook, and here you can see the simple example of defining bytes data. So as I told you, byte literals are defined with the leading B. Now this B can be capital also. So here I have taken one variable bytes underscore data and I have defined certain byte data in this. Now if I print the type of this variable and also print the data, we can see the result. It belongs to class bytes, which means it is a bytes type data. And whenever we are printing the value of this variable also, the B literal is coming with the data, which is a representation of bytes in Python. Whereas if we try to define a string type value, we can define a string type value either by using single quotes or double quotes, and within the single and double quotes we can define characters, symbols and digits. So here I have taken a very simple example of string underscore data variable. Now if I try to print the type and the value, here you can see it belongs to class str, which is a representation of string type data, and the data which is printed is without any literal or quotes. Now bytes in Python are commonly used when dealing with binary data like images, sound files, network packages, etc. Whereas strings are used to represent text data and are widely used in various operations such as manipulation, comparison and formatting. Now let's come back to the Jupyter notebook and let's understand the very first method, how we can convert bytes data to string. And in the first method we will use the decode method. This method decodes the sequence of bytes into string using a specified encoding. In this example here you can see, again I have defined the string underscore data variable. I have taken the bytes underscore data which I have defined in the very first cell, which is a bytes data, and with this I am using the decode method. Now in the decode method I need to define the encoding. So by default I am using the UTF-8 encoding. Now if I try to print the type of this string underscore data and also try to print the value, now the value is being converted to string, and now we can see this variable belongs to str class. That shows that it is a string type data, and this is the actual value. Welcome from team Codr. And now you can see there is no byte literals with it. Now another method that we can use to convert bytes to string is by using the str constructor, and while using the str constructor also we need to define the encoding. So similar fashion I am using the str constructor here. First I am passing the bytes data variable which we want to convert to string, and then I am passing the encoding, that is UTF-8. So again for this also, if I try to print the type of this data and the value, here you can see it belongs to str and the value is printed as string type value. So this is all for this video. I hope you understand how we can convert bytes to string in Python. If you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you really have any sort of suggestion for us, you can email us at the given email ID, or you can also use the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.